Hello crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter and I welcome you to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be super quick and easy. I am using the Showcase 45 Scrumptious Sweet Cart dies that you can get from Tonic Studios, along with the sparkle spray from Nuvo. As you can see here, I have painted the perimeter of the front of my card and then use little corner pieces. By the way, that color of spray was cream gold, and now I'm using a specialty card from Tonic Studios that was released some time ago, and I'm so sorry it's no longer available, but I'll be layering that as a background. And then this beautiful pearlescent pink card is a blushing pink pearlescent card from Tonic Studios. I've used the ticket shaped dies that come in the set, along with a sentiment that says sweets, and that's going to be the focal point of the front of the card, or the sentiment that goes along with it. I did take that Nuvo sparkle spray and I colored the letters SWEETS on the front, and that's why you saw it sparkle. And it's a wonderful way to use Nuvo product to change your die cuts into something a little bit more personalized. So here you get to see kind of a preview of where I'm going with this card. And I've taken the wheel portion of the die set, and I took the little triangles that popped out of the bottom, or the center I should say, and then I took these two little pieces here, and what you saw me showcase there, or point out, I'm sorry, is that I took those two pieces of card, I took a shimmer pen and I colored onto it because it is white card, and I took also a very light blue Nuvo pen and I colored only on one little edge. And as you can see there, I layered those two together to create what's going to be an ice cream cone with the little triangles that popped out of the center of that wheel that I had shown. So all I did was cut away the excess, take a dimensional adhesive from Craft Perfect, and I adhered that little cone onto another little triangle that was cut out in gold card. So I'm repeating this 3 times to create 3 little embellishments that are going to be the ice cream cones for my card. And I wanted to have this look like a little shop window, and I thought it would be a lot of fun to just use my supplies and come up with my own little embellishments. I love doing that. And I encourage you to take a look at your dies and see how you can mix them up and come up with different versions of maybe items that you've created before, or just something new. So the little whipped ice cream that you saw me layer together came from the Bountiful Bell Jar die and stencil set, and I cannot wait to share with you what I'm making with that. But right now what I did was that I created the little ice cream with that, and the paper is shimmery and adorable. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to layer the little balloons that come in this set. And of course you can use twine from Tonic Studios. It comes in several different colors, and that way you can create little streamers for the little balloons. However, the die set does come with a die that will cut them out of paper. So if you needed to make them out of paper, then you can certainly do that as well. I just chose a yellow color that I thought would look cute with the background papers. And now what I'm doing is that once I plan my layout, I am adhering the little balloons onto the background in different stages here, so that it will look like they're floating up from the background of this card. And that Nuvo Deluxe adhesive is wonderful for little things like that as well, in case you're wondering. And I just took advantage of the supplies that I had on hand to just create a really festive and happy little card that could be used for whether it be a birthday, a celebration, a new baby, anything like that. And I wanted to mention that you can certainly do this in a different color palette and just come up with your own version. Finally, what I did was I topped some of the balloons with little tulle bows that I had created, and in the die set there's this gorgeous little banner. I colored that in. I did use some markers, and then I finally colored over the little heart portions there with that shimmer spray, or sparkle spray, sorry. Then lastly, I'll be adding that in. As you can see, there are kind of 2 little layers of that little banner using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. This card was so much fun to put together. I just wanted to bring you a little bit of variety on how you can use, of course, this gorgeous die set. I've also linked 2 other videos below that you can watch using the same adorable die set. So this completes this card. And as you can tell, they're very different one from the other, even though I've used similar supplies, of course, most of them from the same set. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, of course, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos like this one. And as I always say, I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. And I thank you so much for watching.